Hi everyone, I'm here in São Vicente on the coast of São Paulo, where Brazil's very first official village was founded in 1532. But long before that happened, an incredible story was already unfolding, starting around 1508 when João Ramalho and his crew first set foot right on these shores. Leaving the coast behind, João Ramalho followed ancient native trails straight up through the misty rainforest of Paranapiacaba, where I am now. This wasn't just a brutal climb, it was a total transformation. High in these mountains, he earned the trust of local tribes, clearing the path to reach Tibiriçá on the Piratininga plateau.